da Vinci was a genius. He is famous today as a great painter, but he was also a sculptor, architect, musician, mathematician, engineer, writer, scientist, and inventor. His inventions were hundreds of years ahead of their time, but many were never made. This team of engineers is going to put a Leonardo da Vinci design to the test, using the materials which were available 500 years ago. The engineers are shown da Vinci's design of a self-propelled cart. They immediately see a problem. Da Vinci did not complete the design, and it is unclear whether the cart should have 3 or 5 wheels. The team decides to split into 2 to test both designs. They suggest a race to find the winner. First, they use a computer to turn their interpretation of da Vinci's design into modern engineering plans.
We're working on the wheels for the cart.
And then start to make the wheels for the cart.
How small they really are. These are 15-inch wheels in the front and 11 or 12 in the back.
Making the wheels is more difficult than the teams thought. Making the drive mechanism looks even more difficult. But while Team 1 cuts the wood with a time-consuming traditional method, Team 2 has a shortcut in mind.
We're about to get ready to go to my shop. I've got a few tools that we need to use to make our gears that we don't have here, and we're going to get a lot of work done.
So should we get one of these going?
One of the things I have at my shop is my laser cutter. And what I can do with that is save a huge amount of time. A lot of things we have to make, like gears and wheels that have a lot of different hole patterns that would take just forever for us to do on the mill. What it does is it uses a laser beam to actually cut through different materials. And here we can just start cutting them out really fast. So I think we'll have a huge advantage.
They use the laser cutter to save time making the cogs in the mechanism.
Wow. And this is just one of them, right, Frank?
This is just one spring. Watch yourself.
How long is this spring?
20 feet.
Da Vinci's design used metal springs to provide power for the mechanism. But Team 1 is nervous when they wind their powerful spring, as it could break the cart or cause an injury. The other team manages to get both springs working, and their cart is finished.
We went over there and looked, and it's still in a lot of pieces over there.
Uh-oh, incoming.
Uh-oh. Yes?
Uh-oh.
May I help you?
We're done. We're ready. Let's race.
Really?
Oh, we'll be ready.
On the evening of the race, both teams wind the springs in their carts. However, Team 2 loses count and winds the spring up too much, breaking it. They decide to run the race on one spring anyway. The result is in no doubt. While Team 2's cart starts quicker, their lack of power means that Team 1 wins the race comfortably. The teams prove the genius of Leonardo's 500-year-old design.